So the last card with the Lift Ink stamped image, we're going to keep very, very simple. I didn't add a dimensional flower to it. I wanted to keep it very flat just to show that you can create a card with it by not adding a dimensional flower to it. And it will work just beautifully. So I'm going to do that same Season's Greetings image that I did with the last one. We're going to stamp it and emboss it. And I liked this layout where the flower was on the top and the sentiment on the bottom, but you could do that and then overlap them as well. That would work. Completely personal preference. There we go. And there's no excess powder around that one, so nothing to brush off. I'm gonna grab the heat gun and melt it. There we go. And then let's glue our card together. So make sure that the fold is going the right way. This mirror card that I'm using, as I said before, was the one that I die cut to do the the Happy Holidays for this one here. It die cuts beautifully as well, just like the Yupo. And great for Christmas cards or holiday cards, just that extra metallic sparkle is lovely. There we go. It usually takes a minute or so just for that glue to kind of settle with that glossy cardstock, just because it's not porous on the top. So I'm going to add some glisten stickles to this one, just to add a little bit of sparkle. And this glisten one, the glitter is got a gold tone to it, but it's also fairly transparent, so you're not going to lose the image of your poinsettia underneath it. I'm going to add some to the center. And then I just added a little bit to the greenery. You could also, if you wanted, just do some outlining of the poinsettia flowers a little bit. It just makes it a little bit more sparkly, a little bit more festive. There we go. And there, we're going to let that one dry, and once it's dry, you just get a beautiful sparkle from the stickles on there.